At Info Group Global, we are committed to building a brighter and sustainable future with providing turnkey solutions for all solar power needs. Our team of experts is dedicated to delivering high-quality customized solutions that are tailored to your specific requirements. Our process-driven approach ensures that every project is completed on time, within budget, and to the highest standards of quality. Whether it's a commercial, industrial, or residential project, we have the expertise and resources to deliver the results you need. From initial consultation and design to installation and maintenance, we are with you every step of the way. With years of experience in the renewable energy sector, we have earned a reputation for being a trusted and reliable partner for businesses and organizations around the world. With Info Group Global, your solar energy project is in good hands.